You need to check out this amazing free AI video generator. PixVerse Ai has officially released internationally, and the quality is impressive. The consistency of detail of these videos and the ability to generate realistic motion is on the same level as anything else, if not better. What's really great about it, though, is the flexibility that PixVerse has. It generates a variety of different styles, it's good at animating your prompts, and it's even better when using an image reference for image to video. And the best part is that it's completely free to try. I'll show you the basics of getting started with generating AI videos using PixVerse AI. But first, let's take a look at some of the videos I've been able to create with this model.
Can you hear that sound?
Yeah, Bush Baby, Rune.
Starting with this short animation, look carefully at the small details and lines on it, and you'll notice there's almost no warping and distortion. It moves forward and turns its head, but everything looks realistic in 3D. PixVerse just upgraded to version 3.5, which is quite promising in terms of speed of video generation, action, animation, and emotion. Of course, it depends on how good you are on prompting. I am interested in the animation style. Let's take a look at what others have created. To sign up, head to app.pixverse.ai. Check the description for links. They have many options for logging in. You'll need to log in with Google, Discord, Apple, or enter email and pick a password. PixVerse sends you a verification email with a passcode in it. I usually log in using my Google account. In the home page, there's a gallery of the top videos and images created by other users. Right away, you see the quality. Zooming on a video to see the prompts and parameters used to generate them. You'll notice that a lot of these used an image reference. That's because PixVerse only allows image to video generation. Let's start prompting using the AI video generator. There's only one option of image to video. Starting with image to video. I need to generate an image. To do so, I will use recraft.ai, and you can use any image generator. I'll enter the prompt. A 3D animation style of a kid wearing a yellow patterned design shirt and a blue jean pant, a yellow sneakers. He is happy. The background is children's room. Let's import the image we created in Recraft into PixVerse. We're going to use version 3.5, which is currently the default. We don't need any effect. Let's explore the animation styles. We are not going to choose any style because our image is already in the 3D style. We are going to use aspect ratio of 16:9. Notice that I am still using the same prompt that I used for the image generation in Recraft. Let's hit the Create button. For me, the video is generated pretty quickly, maybe 2 to 3 minutes per video. It follows our prompt well, and the quality is solid. If download the PixVerse app, the speed is more faster than the desktop. Here is our animation. You can see that the character is very consistent and that there is no distortion. I have tried Kling and Minimax with animation, but from my experience, I'm very satisfied with PixVerse adherent to prompts. It followed the prompt pretty closely. By the way, to download videos, click this downwards pointing arrow. You can explore other people's work for inspiration and can also co-create using existing prompts just by clicking on Go Create. Notice that I did not include camera motion, but PixVerse added a camera motion to our animation, which is very fine. You get 60 free credits per day and 30 credits per generation, which is equal to 2 video generations. Let's keep our eye on PixVerse. I think it's got a lot of potential, especially with 3D or 2D cartoon animation. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, hit the subscription button and ring the notification bell so as to be notified when next I upload another interesting video.